Today we are going to discuss some theorems on monotone sequence. Okay. So before that, remark one. Remark. What is mean by? Sorry. Here remark is given that if sequence Sn and given that any other sequence Tn where n runs from 1 to infinity, Sn and Tn are sequences of real number R. These two sequences are given are sequences of real number. Then their product if sequence Sn and Tn are given be a sequence of real number and which is convergent to some point, okay, which is convergent to L and N respectively. Suppose that first sequence is Sn is convergent to L and second sequence also second sequence has a limit is suppose M, then limit of Sn minus Tn is equal to L minus M. Okay, limits if given two sequences are given, Sn and Tn be two sequences are given and which has limit L and M, then their subtraction limit of their subtraction sequence is equal to L minus M. Okay, so this is a remark. Then next theorem or corollary. If sequence Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity and given that any other sequence where n runs from 1 to infinity Tn, okay, Sn and Tn are two sequences of real number, are two sequences of real number. Here given that corollary says that here two sequences are given that two sequences of real number such that condition is here Sn is less equal Tn where n belongs to I, means elements of Sn are less equal elements of Tn, and also given that limit n tends to infinity Sn is equal to L and limit n tends to infinity Tn is equal to M, then show that L is also less equal M, means their limit is also less equal M. Okay, using this condition Sn is less equal Tn, then their limit is also less equal L is less equal M. Okay, their proof is very simple. Proof of this theorem, firstly to write given that let Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity and sequence Tn where n runs from 1 to infinity are sequences of real number such that here condition is given such that Sn is less equal Tn where n belongs to set of positive integer I. Okay, and also given that this limit n tends to infinity Sn is equal to L and limit n tends to infinity Tn is equal to M. Okay, and to prove here what to show L is less equal M. Okay, L is less equal M. Therefore since Sn is less equal Tn, which implies that here given that Sn is less equal to Tn, which implies that Sn minus Tn, Sn minus Tn is must be less equal 0. Okay, Sn is less equal Tn, which implies that Sn minus Tn must be less equal 0, which implies that taking limit on both sides, taking limit as n tends to infinity, taking limit as n tends to infinity on both sides, we get limit n tends to infinity, Sn minus Tn is less equal limit n tends to infinity 0, which implies that limit n tends to infinity, their value is here limit n tends to infinity, Sn is equal to L, and limit n tends to infinity, Tn is equal to M. Okay, and remark says that limit n tends to infinity, Sn minus Tn is equal to L minus M. Therefore limit n tends to infinity, Sn minus Tn is equal to L minus M, and limit n tends to infinity 0 is equal to 0, and therefore equation star becomes limit n tends to infinity, Sn minus Tn is less equal 0, that is their limit is L minus M is less equal 0, which implies that L is must be less equal M. Okay, this is a proof of our corollary. Then next point is limit superior and limit inferior. Next point is limit superior and limit inferior. Limit superior and limit inferior. Limit superior and limit inferior. Definition first. Limit superior. So definition of limit superior. Limit superior is let sequence Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity be a sequence of real numbers, which is given sequence is suppose that which is bounded above, that is bounded above means all elements of Sn are less equal k for some k for all n. Okay, for all n belongs to I. Therefore each element of Sn are less equal k means k which is bounded above some any integer. Okay, this is the upper bound of given sequence, and set Mn set is a supremum of Sn plus 1, Sn plus 2 and up to so on. This if Mn is equal to supremum of Sn plus 1, Sn plus 2 up to so on, then this Mn set is given that a decreasing sequence is decreasing sequence. Decreasing means that is Mn is decreasing means non-increasing. Mn is non-increasing sequence. Okay, and here this Mn, how to finding this Mn? Suppose here given that any sequence. Suppose given that here any sequence are suppose sequence Sn is equal to suppose that 1 2 3 again 1 2 3 again 1 2 3 and up to so on. In this way, suppose that this sequence is given, okay, and to find the mn, but before that, mn is, what is mn? mn is a supremum of sn plus 1, sn plus 2 and up to so on. In this way, means supremum of all these elements. Okay, here supremum of, here sequence is given that this is s1, this is s2, this is s3, again s4, s5, s6. In this way, here elements are exist. So then supremum of 1 2 3 1 2 3, and in this way, so supremum of all these elements is 3, because 3 is the highest element of in that all elements. So 3 is a supremum of this set. So this is a m1, okay, this is a m1. Then m2 is a supremum of remaining elements, supremum of remaining elements. So 3 is get cancelled, so remaining only 1 2 1 2 3, okay, 1 2 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, and in this way, again here supremum are repeated here, but other examples supremum are not repeated or repeated. So but here again 3 is a supremum, okay, then m3 is also supremum, m3 is also 3, okay. In this way, given sequence has a supremum, this is m1, then mn set contains 3 3 3 up to so on. So other example, suppose that 1 by l, suppose given that sequence 1 by l, their elements are 1 1 by 2 1 by 3 and up to so on, lastly 0, okay. Then m1 mn is a supremum s1 s2 sn plus 1 up to so on. So mn is then here mn is equal to supremum of s1 up to so on, sn plus 1 up to so on. Then their supremum, here first element is 1, then 1 by 2, then 1 by 3 and last 0, okay. Their supremum is 1 must be, okay. So then this is 1 m1, then m2 is supremum of, so delete 1 is a fix, then m2 is 1 by 2 1 by 3 and up to so on, okay. So then supremum of this all element is 1 by 2, so m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to 1 by 2, then m3 is equal to delete this, then m3 is equal to 1 by 3, then m4 is equal to 1 by 4, and in this way all elements of m1 m2 up to so on mn are 1 by n. In this way 1 is less equal 1 by 2, less equal 1 by 3, less equal 1 by 4, less equal, and this sequence is a non-increasing sequence, means decreasing sequence, okay. This sequence is a non-increasing sequence, means decreasing sequence. This is a mn, okay. So our definition is mn is a non-increasing sequence if this sequence mn is bounded below, this sequence is mn is bounded below, then this sequence mn is bounded below, okay. This is non-increasing, means decreasing sequence, and which is bounded below, okay. This is bounded below, then it is convergent sequence, that is their limit is exist. Convergent means given sequence has a something in some element is limit, okay. So their limit is exist, and this limit is called superior of the sequence. This limit is called superior of the sequence Sn, okay. Means this limit is a limit superior of given sequence, okay. Therefore it is denoted as, and it is denoted by limit n tends to infinity supremum of Sn. Okay, this is denoted by supremum of Sn, that is limit n tends to infinity supremum of Sn is equal to limit n tends to infinity mn. Okay, and if this sequence limit is does not exist, then given sequence is given sequence has supremum does not exist. Okay, if limit n tends to infinity mn does not exist, then we say that limit supremum of this sequence does not exist, that is which is diverges to minus infinity, because given sequence is a decreasing sequence, that is limit n tends to infinity supremum of Sn is diverges to minus infinity, because given sequence is a bounded below, so decreasing sequence, not bounded below. Okay, this is a definition of limit superior. Okay, what is meant by limit superior? Limit superior means this set mn is equal to supremum Sn plus up to so on. There, this mn is a non-decreasing sequence. This mn is a non-increasing sequence, that is which is a decreasing sequence, and this sequence is bounded below. Then which is convergent, that is it has a something limit. Okay, so their limit is called a limit superior. Okay, so next definition is limit inferior, reverse of this definition, limit inferior. Limit inferior, what is meant by limit inferior? So definition of this definition is let sequence Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity be a sequence of real numbers which is bounded below. If given sequence is bounded below, that is bounded below means there is some integer, all integers of Sn are greater or equal some integer k, okay, or all n, then small mn, okay, for limit inferior is letter is small mn, and it is infimum of Sn plus 1, Sn plus 2, and up to so on. Choose infimum of all this element. Then mn is increasing sequence. Because mn is increasing sequence, that is mn is non-decreasing sequence. Suppose that example here. Suppose sequence is which is bounded below. Okay, bounded below sequence here. Suppose 1 by n. This sequence is also bounded below sequence. So their elements are 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and up to so on lastly 0. Okay, so then mn is equal to infimum. Infimum means smallest element of this element. Okay, infimum 1 1 by 2 1 by 3 and up to so on lastly 0. So then first element infimum is equal to this element na 0. All smallest element of this all element is 0. This is m1 is equal to 0. Then m2 is delete 0. Then there m2 is smallest of this, okay, smallest of this element. So here not possible. Suppose that sequence, choose another sequence to for this, because their smallest element is not exist, smallest element exist but which is not known. Okay, so choose any sequence Sn is equal to minus n, but this sequence is not bounded below. This is bounded above but not bounded below. So choose any other sequence. Suppose choosing any other sequence is suppose that choosing, suppose this sequence in already seen that 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, okay, then 1 2 3, choosing this sequence suppose, okay, if we choosing this sequence, this is also bounded below sequence. So then m1 is the first element infimum of 1 2 3 1 2 3. So their first element is first 1. Then m2 is also again first 1 here exist, 2 3 1 2 3 and up to so on. Their element is also first element is also 1. Similarly m3 is also 1, okay, m3 is also 1. So therefore here mn is a constant sequence exist, but for infimum, so given sequence suppose that bounded below, okay, n sequence Sn is equal to n. If we choosing this sequence is 1 2 3 4 up to so on, this is a bounded below sequence, okay, this is bounded below sequence. So there n is then mn is infimum of 1 2 3 and up to so on. Then m1 is first element of infimum this 1, then delete 1. Then m2 is infimum of this all element 2 3 up to so on. Their second element is 2, okay, so delete 2. Then m3 is supremum of 3 4 5 up to so on. There infimum is here 3, because 3 is the smallest element in all element. So m3 is 3. So in this way given set mn is 1 2 3 4 up to so on. This is small mn, okay, this small mn is increasing because 1 is less equal 2 less equal 3 less equal 4. So here not less equal, but which is are increasing when n is increases, okay, when n increases then their values also increases. 1 is less than 2 less than 3 less than 4 in this way. So all elements of mn means infimum, okay, mn is a non-decreasing sequence means which is increasing sequence, okay. So this is a definition of mn, and their limit exist, then we say that this mn is a bounded increasing sequence and this is a bounded above if sequence mn is bounded above, then which is convergent, okay, bounded above, then it is convergent, that is their limit is exist, that is limit n tends to infinity, small mn exist, and therefore this limit is called so their limit is exist and this limit is called inferior of the sequence, Sn, where n runs from 1 to infinity, and it is denoted by limit n tends to infinity infimum of Sn. Okay, that is limit n tends to infinity infimum of Sn is equal to limit n tends to infinity small mn. Okay, this is mn, and if this limit is not exist, then we see that given sequence has no given sequence inferior of limit does not exist. Okay, that is if limit n tends to infinity, mn is not bounded above, means which has no limit exist, then mn is divergent and diverges to infinity. Okay, so this is a definition of limit inferior. Then remark if sequence Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity is not bounded below, then limit inferior is diverges to. If given sequence Sn is not bounded below, means given sequence is not bounded below, that is which has a no any element such that all elements are greater than this element, no any element k exists such that all elements, that is sequence Sn does not satisfy this condition. Okay, then which sequence diverges to minus infinity. Okay, minus infinity, that is limit n tends to infinity, sequence Sn has limit is minus infinity. Okay, so this is a remark.